My friends, becoming a more successful student starts with taking a look at your current study skills, identifying problem areas that can help you start addressing any problems. Here are 11 bad study habits to avoid and the way to fix them. Are you ready? Wow! Let's go. 1. Starting a study session without a plan. How to fix it. Before you start studying, create a study plan that outlines what you should accomplish in this session. Set a goal for each study session. 2. Spending hours studying, but not getting anything done. How to fix it. Find which part of the day you are most productive and do most studying. For some students, the morning hours are when they are sharpest and ready to learn. For others, studying at night is when they work best. 3. Studying in front of the television. How to fix it. Choose a low-traffic spot in your home, where you can study away from distractions. Make this a spot that is specifically used for studying. This will encourage you to get down to work quickly. 4. Not asking the teacher for help when you don't understand. How to fix it. Each night, spend a couple minutes reviewing and reflecting on what you learned in class that day. Make notes on anything you didn't understand that you can take to the teacher for extra help. 5. Keeping disorganized notes. How to fix it. First, organize notes from each subject into their own folder. Then, start practicing how to take more effective notes. Try out different note-taking methods and help you to choose one that works best for you. 6. Studying to remember instead of studying to understand. How to fix it. Instead of just memorizing material for a test, encourage you to connect it to other things you learn. Make a mind map that can use you to relate information and develop a deeper understanding of the material. 7. Being distracted by cell phones. How to fix it. Turn off the cell phone and other accounts. Find some time for using the cell phone and other platforms only after you have completed the study task for the day. 8. Waiting until the last minute to start an assignment. How to fix it. Write down when all assignments are due and plan to do it. Start assignments at least a week before you are due and work on completing them little by little. This will help make you less overwhelming. 9. Not learning from your mistakes. How to fix it. Successful students learn from their mistakes. If you get a bad mark on a test or assignment, encourage you not to give up. Use the experience to figure out where you can still improve and make a plan to do better next time, my friends.